Picture yourself in the 2018 Subaru Forester. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This well-built Forester delivers confidence, comfort, and capability. Advanced safety tech, a smooth ride, and all-wheel drive position you for success on every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, alarm, traction control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, passenger vanity mirror. This Forester is the perfect blend of comfort and capability. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.